There, there. It'll be okay, big guy. Come on.
You will be all right. There, there.
Okay, yes, something's wrong.
There, son. You tell your daddy all about it.
There. It's all right. It'll be okay.
No.
There. Everything's going to be fine. Having that nightmare again?
I don't want to die, Dad. Not for real.
There, sweetheart. We'll be okay.
There. And whenever you're ready, there and there. Whoa, girls, no.
There. Scarlett's going to get well, and there can be other babies.
No.
I feel like such a fool. I should have never doubted you.
There. Give it here.
There, Hagrid. It's not really goodbye after all.
Micah is in the hospital. He is in so much pain. The nurse didn't know what was wrong.
Oh, there.
There.
God, what is wrong with me?
Nothing, you're perfect.
There, Quasimodo. I know it hurts, but now the time has come to end your suffering forever.
But I don't have any cash on me. I mean, I have cash, but just not on me, and the banks aren't open.
There. There's the door. I'm sorry, we can't let you audition.